Lifestyle here. Welcome to my channel, guys, and thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, and thank you so much for being here. Oh my goodness, today is a very interesting video. It's a good day. It's a Saturday, by the way. Yes, it's Saturday morning. I am taking you somewhere, guys. As you know, Memorial Day is here. Hey, we need to go get goat meat. We need to go get meat from the farm and chicken. Yes, because we need to eat Memorial Day, guys, with family and everything else. Okay, being a lifestyle motto, I'm gonna take you guys. You're gonna go with me to this farm. I've never been into this farm. I have been to other farms here, but I've never been to this specific farm. It's called Wiley City. The Wiley City actually is a suburb of Dallas. It's around, from where I come from, actually it's around 50 minutes, I can say. And over there is an African farm. This farm, they have a farm, and they have chicken meat, and they have goat meat, they have sheep. So I need to go there and see, because I need to eat. My family needs to eat. So we need to go to the farm today. So as you can tell, I'm dressed up. I'm ready for the farm. It's a little bit hot outside, but hey, we need to go eat. And this city Wiley, I've never been to this city Wiley, but it's around 60 people, 60,000 people live there. It's not a big city, but hey, it looks like it's something that I'm gonna take you guys. So my purpose of doing this is because I do Umoto lifestyle. I just want you guys to know from around the world. If you come here to the US and you want goat meat and you want chicken, hey, you can go to the farm and get it. So it's part of my lifestyle, and I'm gonna invite you guys so that we can go enjoy. Right now we're here in the gas station. Let me show you the gas station, guys. We're filling in the tank. Look at that hotel. I love these Fairfield hotels, guys. Have you ever spent time here? It's Fairfield Inn and Suite. I have slept in these hotels before, guys. It's really nice. So we are here filling in the tank so that we can head to Wiley. Guys, come with me and let's go get meat, okay? Oh well, guys, we're using one of the major highways here in Texas. It's called I-20. This highway actually can connect you to so many states. So this is the highway we're using to Wiley. Let's go get our meat. Goat. Look at those hilly places, guys. I love it. Guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. Give the video a like, thumbs up, notification on. We are going to Wiley, Texas to get our goat meat. Guys, for those ones who know T.D. Jakes, T.D. Jakes is one of the God's men, a preacher. One of his churches actually is located in this area. If I get a good view, I'm gonna show you the video of the church of the man of God, a preacher, T.D. Jakes. I know T.D. Jakes is known all over the world, and one of his mega church is located here, actually, in this highway on my left side. If I get the view, I'm gonna show you. View of Dallas. Look at that, beautiful. Now we are leaving Dallas. We need to go to Wiley. Let me zoom for you guys the view. Look at that. There's a little bit of traffic here in downtown Dallas, and that's normal as usual, but get our goat meat and chicken from the city of Wiley. Guys, comment below, what do you think of downtown Dallas? Let me know where you watching from. Guys, look at the connection of those highways. Oh my gosh, America. Wow. Beauty. Guys, we have a lake here. Lake Hoopert. Huge lake, guys. These are on our way to Wiley, all the way to get the goat meat. I like the beauty of this lake. It's a man-made lake, guys, but it's so beautiful. People are having fun, huh? So much fun, guys, in the lake. Look at those beautiful homes. Is it apartments? Hotels actually next to the lake. Wow. People are really having fun here. Guys, I'm having a snack. I love strawberry. Comment below if you love strawberry like I do. Guys, again, as you remember, we're going to Wiley City. Memorial Day is here. We need to eat, so we are going to get goat meat and chicken possibly if we can. So we're on our way. We're almost there. So stay here until we get this farm. Actually, this farm is owned by one of the African people, man, a family. I believe they're from Kenya, but we'll see. I've never been there, but let's go and see where our Africans are hustling here in the U.S. So you can hustle. You can own a farm actually in the U.S., okay? So let's go see our brother or sister how the farm looks like. I hope they can let us record or talk to us. Let's go and see, okay? Meanwhile, let's enjoy our strawberry snack, okay? Guys, as you can tell, Wiley, Texas. This is the farm. You can see, I see horses over there. This is how typical people live here, modern homes. I see some modern homes here, but mostly I see some old homes. Oh guys, you can tell we're here at the farm. It's called Ann's Farm right here. So let's go in here. I can see lots of people, lots of cars, lots of Africans here trying to find chicken and goat and sheep and cow. So guys, as you can tell, this is how the farm looks like, Ann's Farm. Let's go in there. I see lots of people, cars. Let's find the parking. Huh. Wow. This is really something in here. So guys, this is crazy. I can already smell the foam. Let's see. I hope they can let us record. Guys, we're here at the farm. I don't know what's in here, but let me take you around. I don't know. There's a pond here, water all over. I see a lot of flies flying around. The smell, guys, my gosh. So this is how the farm looks like so far. We're here to hunt for a goat. I see lots of people there. Wow, guys, I'm stepping on poop. But it's okay. Let's tour around and see how this farm actually looks like. Guys, I see lots of goats on the other side. I don't know, but let me take you this way first. let's go up here toward this farm. Yes, I see lots of people. Yeah. I'm going up here. I see some ducks here, guys. I see ducks. Oh, welcome to the farm. I see lots of ducks here. Guys, can you see what I see? I see some goats over here. Let's go, guys. Ducks. Quack, quack, quack. I see some goats here. Is it a goat or a sheep? Hey, goaty. Look at that. I see baby goat over there. Wow, beautiful. And I see some donkeys over there, guys. I don't know donkeys people eat or what, but I see some donkeys over here. Guys, I don't know if I'm allowed to go all the way. Let me go back this way. Oh my goodness, guys. Let's go see this farm. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. It's a huge farm, guys. It's very huge. Huge. I hope you guys can see. Let's walk over here. Guys, the smell. Oh my gosh. The smell. I don't know if they sell bags over there. I think they sell bags. Guys, these are the sheep and the goats. And the cows over there. In the next one. Bye.